Welcome back to another crypto farm video where today we're going to be talking about the STRaY bears genesis. Now there is no hibernating this winter. It is 12,500 moody, cheeky and unruly STRaY bears that have snuck onto the blockchain and are causing chaos. Now if you want to give these guys a follow, make sure to do so because this is a huge project with a huge website. So before we get straight into it, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about this project. Now, if we move straight into the website, we can see some really cool stuff. I don't even know where to start. This is the STRaY bears genesis project, and bewares the STRaY bears are here. So as you can see, a few examples of the actual artwork, and if we scroll down, we can see there will be no hibernating this winter. And here's a little backstory about all of these bears. So like most bears, these bears are moody, cheeky, unruly, and generally don't give two of these, right? But on rare occasions, you might be lucky enough to find one showing gratitude for what they have attained. They can appear without wanting your food, clothes, and personal items that you sometimes value above all others. There have been reports that some bears have managed to stray into undiscovered locations and attain sacred items that, if combined, could set off a chain of events that will cause unforeseen consequences. Simply put, some bears must never meet. Now, this is a huge little, explanation of the project, a little intro, a little backstory and everything, but essentially there will be a lot of stuff in this project later on. So first of all, your STRaY bear will serve as your entry key into all future components that will make the complete STRaY bears saga. Now there's going to be the animation series, there's going to be the snatch tokens, stash boxes, merch, lost STRaY gallery, STRaY versus GIJ game, and much more. So it's going to be really cool, and you will be granted full commercial use rights of your bear, so stay tuned for that. Now every single one of these bears can have up to a maximum of 13 traits. There is 312 hand-drawn attributes, so some are more common while others are very rare with rarities as low as 0.25%. 12.5k is the max token supply, so this is for the actual token, and the mint price will be 12,500 will be available for minting, right? And 0.08 Ethereum will be the price for each STRaY bear. If you haven't given these guys a follow, make sure to do so right here, and check out the Discord as well, where you can learn a lot more about the announcements that are happening every single day, a little bit more about the roadmap, the official links, obviously the frequently asked questions, and airdrops, and pretty much everything that's going to be happening in the future you can keep in touch with on the Discord page. So if we move straight down, we can see a little bit about the roadmap. Now, this is probably one of the coolest roadmap layouts that I've seen on the market. So first and foremost, you do have the community wallet aspect, where the STRaY bears community wallet is written into the contract to receive 10% of all mint revenue. Now, this will all be used to build the community portfolio, host community events, fund flash arcade giveaways, grants, and purchase metaverse land with a minimum 50% match from the actual team, right? So the wallet, how it works is the wallet will have some money, and whatever is chosen to be done with that money, the wallet will give 50% and the team will give the other 50%. So the wallet will be public, and holders will collectively vote on how and what these funds are used to acquire. This is sort of like a DAO, so it's really cool. Now, community donations is the second part. So they will be picking a charity, and they will be donating an amount, but these guys will decide as a community on multiple worthy causes to donate funds from the actual community wallet, rather than just promising something up ahead and potentially not being able to deliver. So everything is about the community. Now, the 100 club of STRaY genesis, so the first 100 holders will all receive 2 lost STRaY bears for free. And what they look like and the medium will be a complete surprise, but you will have something you can hold, touch, and cherish in real life. So certified 1/1 unique, and with a certificate of authenticity containing your bear's metadata and creation DNA. Now, the first 100 holders will also be given the role of STRaY Genesis 100 and will forever be a part of the elite group that will receive privileges and perks above and before everyone else. Now, you have the 500 club as well. So the 500 club is rewards for the first 400 holders after the STRaY 100, and they will be giving away a lot of other stuff. So stay tuned for this. I mean, you will be having access to the Lost Stray gallery, metaverse exhibitions, and a lot more as well in the future. Now, the Genesis 500 strays will also generate the holder 10 Snatch tokens daily in staking rewards, so that's going to be really cool as well. Now, 230k mega bounty, mystery airdrops, merch drop in March of 2022, stash boxes coming out March 2022. These stash boxes will actually be NFT collections that will be released in multiple batches, and they will include items the Stray Bears, the Lost Strays, and GIJ have acquired, and will be items used in Stray versus GIJ, the actual game itself. Now, animated shorts will be coming out in 2022 as well, the GIJ, Snatch Utility token later on, and the full game to be announced when it's going to be released. Now, you have some of the early animation snippets. So that's something about how it's actually going to be looking. I don't want to get into too much detail, but there is a lot of different animations right here for the animated series. It's going to be really, really cool. And when it comes to the full commercial rights, obviously we'll have full commercial rights to any Stray Bear that you own. It means that you can create your own merch if you wish, or create an entire business based around the bears you actually own. So it could be sort of like a Polo Ralph Lauren bear, on a hoodie or something, and you can just use it to drive your own business. Now, the Lost Stray Bears are an interesting aspect of this project. So essentially, these Lost Stray Bears will be a full surprise, and they will be very exclusive, completely unique, and some will even have attributes not found in any of the Stray Bears that made it onto the blockchain. Now, I do recommend you read up on pretty much everything that's going on here, because there is a lot of interesting stuff. They will be purchasing Metaverse land as well to create unique Stray GIJ experiences like the Lost and parts of the game and a lot more. So definitely something I will be looking out for. 230k mega bounty hunt as well. So the Stray Bears will be giving away 230k, and essentially how this is going to work is with the 12,500 Stray Bears that made it onto the blockchain, 15 have bounties on their heads for continued and relentless misbehavior. If you manage to mint one of these bears, you will be offered the bounty to hand them over, and the bounties can range from 0.25 to 10 Ethereum for a monster of 56 Ethereum or $230,000 total. You will have 24 hours to accept the bounty and claim your rewards, or forever deal with the consequences of owning a notoriously unruly stray bear. All of these bounty bears captured will be transferred to the secure location of the community wallet until they are ready to be reintegrated into a new home in the future. Now, here's some of the wanted bears, as you can see right here. Really, really cool, and obviously huge rewards for actually getting one of them. And right here you can see the Snatch Utility token. So it will be used for the following: claiming or minting of these stash boxes, purchasing the Stray merch, pretty much everything that's going to be going on in the metaverse and within the project and the game as well. That's going to be the Snatch Utility token. Definitely something I do recommend you keep an eye out for, because a lot of holders will actually be rewarded these Snatch tokens as well. So the early 100 Genesis Stray holders will rewarded 20 Snatch per day to the actual holder, and each Genesis 500 Stray will reward 10 Snatch per day to the holder, and all other Strays will reward 5 Snatch per day for the holder itself. Now, the stash boxes are these limited like partial mints of items that will be coming out in the future to be used in the metaverse of the game. Definitely something I'm looking forward to as well. And when it comes to the minting, it's starting 5 days and 7 hours from now. Get ready for this. It's going to be really, really cool. So you have the contract address as well. You have a little bit about the team, but that's pretty much it when it comes to this project. Now, I do recommend you give these guys a follow on all of their socials. Obviously, they've been seen absolutely everywhere, and they have absolutely huge potential to sell out and increase the floor price of all of their beautiful, beautiful Stray bears. So that's pretty much it when it comes to this project. I really do recommend you give these guys a follow. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite parts about this project. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So see you guys next time.